I made keyboard. It's it's a little it's I like it. It's thin, nice and thin, very good. It types. Um, I'm still getting used to the key map, so actually writing a sentence is kind of hard, but like I can sort of do it. If I remember where N is. Yeah, anyway, I could sort of type on it. Still getting used to the key map. I just locked myself out of ZMK Studio because I deleted the key that got me into ZMK Studio, so I get to go figure that out. But it's built, it works. It's wireless. There's a battery hidden down here, which is even, it's yeah, it's great. I think it goes well with the space mouse and mouse with a lot of buttons, because this doesn't have. There's a lot of missing ones, so it goes well with these two. And then this guy just gets to sit here for when I forget a key while I'm learning this, but it's better. I wrote a Word doc and it was like so much easier to type, and yeah, I recommend making a split keyboard. Much better typing experience. I'm very cozy.